I am going to pull a card for today in my Renew deck. I We are going into the Lenten season here, and this is not Lent is not part of my religious upbringing, and I know what it's all about. But it is a really good time. It is a beautiful practice that to give up something for the next 40 days as you come into the Easter season. And for me, I chose to use this card deck. I thought, what a perfect opportunity to really focus each day. Pull a card, and what am I giving up? I'm giving up false beliefs. I'm really looking into letting go of the things that are holding me back. So I'm going to use forgiveness during this time to let go of these things that are no longer serving me. So here we are on our soul's journey, and I will pull a card for today and mark that. Start. I'm going to let it shuffle. Play. And I'm going to let it draw for me. Excellent. And the reveal. This card is about being mortal, the soul's journey, aspiration for action. Pulling a single card for inspiration and personal direction, and this is about ease and flow. The physical healing is clearing and organizing dysfunction in the kidneys and bladder meridians. Emotional healing is transmuting fear into courage. Mental healing is remaining calm in difficult situations. The spiritual healing is connecting to the Creator in you. And the social healing, the ability to be at ease with others. So I'm going to look at this card. I love and accept myself. I am calm. I give myself. I forgive myself for believing my body is worthless. I give myself permission to believe that my greatest feelings of love, unity, and joy will be experienced within my physical body. I am safe to embrace my physical nature. And now I do want to take this a little bit deeper. I just had a drink of water, so good. I'm hydrated, and I will make that a priority today. So when I'm done, I'm going to get my water set up and make hydration a priority today. And I will also go get my ylang ylang essential oil and use that on me. That's one of my favorite scents. So it's also a springtimey scent. I'm ready for spring. And then in a minute, when we're through here, I'm going to journal on what am I afraid of. And I'm going to make a list of the things that I'm afraid of so that I can recognize when I'm going into a fear mode. So with these statements, though, I'm going to put my hands over my collarbone and smile and speak the statements that I said before. And we're going to go back, flip this to the beginning, and breathe through these statements. So, I love and accept myself. I am calm. And breathe. I forgive myself for believing my body is worthless. Breathe. I give myself permission to believe that my greatest feelings of love, unity, and joy will be experienced within my physical body. And breathe. And I am safe to embrace my physical nature. And breathe. So thank you for participating with me today. And I will go off and continue this program clicking on the journal and journaling on that prompt that I showed earlier. And before I finish completely, I forgot to add the video. So here's the video for this card. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. There have been times in your life where you have been absolutely terrified, where you have been so afraid and you did not know how you would survive. At these times, you may have responded by checking out or freezing, running away or hiding. This response pattern can lead you to not accept who you are, so you separate yourself from your physical expression. This is where your greatest need is, to love and accept your body as an individual without fear. And there you go.